Next, we are looking at the 4 levels of measurement. Number 1 is the nominal level. So with the nominal level, there is no ordering, and meaningful differences between data cannot be calculated. So an example would be favorite color. We could say red, blue, green, purple, or we could say blue, green, purple, red. Number 2 is the ordinal level of measurement, and with this one there is an ordering. However, meaningful differences between data still cannot be calculated. So this would be something like opinion polls, where we have excellent, great, satisfactory, and unsatisfactory. So excellent is better than great, great is better than satisfactory, and satisfactory is better than unsatisfactory. Third is the interval level, and with this one there is an ordering, and meaningful differences between data can be calculated. However, there is no meaningful zero. So an example would be temperature. So 70 degrees is warmer than 60 degrees, and you can calculate a difference. So 70 degrees is 10 degrees higher than 60 degrees. Whereas with the ordinal, we can't calculate the difference between excellent and satisfactory. However, with temperature, there is no meaningful zero. So there is 0 degrees Fahrenheit and 0 degrees Celsius. However, there are lower temperatures, so you can have negative degrees. So when they use the phrase meaningful zero, that means that it can't be any lower. So another example of interval would be time of day. So you can calculate the difference between 3 o'clock and 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock is 60 minutes later. And again, there is no meaningful zero because midnight, which is 12 a.m. or 0000 hours in military time, is not a true zero because you could just go to the previous day. Lastly is the ratio level. And with this one, there is an ordering, meaningful differences between data can be calculated, and there is a meaningful zero. So some examples would be length, weight, race time, a song time. So let's look at length. Let's say that we have a trip that is 5 miles and we have a trip that is 2 miles. So the trip that is 5 miles is 3 miles longer than the trip that is 2 miles. So we can calculate a meaningful difference. And there's a meaningful zero because you can't have a negative length, meaning 0 miles is as low as you can go. Determine the level of measurement of the data set. Number 1 says movie genres: comedy, action, sci-fi, horror, and drama. So this would be the nominal level, and this is because there is no ordering. Number 2 says the daily high temperatures in degrees Fahrenheit for Sacramento, California for a week in June are listed. So we have the temperatures listed here, and this is going to be the interval level. And this is because there is an ordering, we can calculate meaningful differences, but there is no meaningful zero because we can have a negative temperature.